This video, let's see how to use a toggle content widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget options and search for the toggle content. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left sidebar, you can see number of lines toggle. Here you can enter the preferred number of lines you want to show before the toggle. And this is the toggle content. Enter your content for the toggle. The next part is button. Here you can choose the type of the button from info, success, warning or danger. Let's choose default button, and here you can change the alignment of the button. And this is the size. Choose your preferred size. And this is the text field. You can enter the text of toggle inactive here. Change into toggle active and enter the text for toggle active here. And this is the icon. Here you can choose preferred icon for the button. And this is the icon position. You can change before or after. And here you can change the face of the icon. Also, let's change icon for toggle inactive view. Choose your preferred icon and change the icon position here and change the icon space here. And this is the button ID. You can enter unique ID for customizing this particular button. Let's moving on to style. Here you can enter inner space value for this toggle content. Let's give 40 pixels each side, and the next one is margin. Enter your preferred outer space value for this toggle content. And the next one is font color, background color and box shadow. You can change it in the normal and overview. Now let's change the font color, and here you can change the background color. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can enable it here. Also, you can adjust the style of the box shadow here. The next part is button, and here you can enable the text shadow style for the button text. And the next one is text color for the button. Change your preferred color, and here you can change background color for the button. Also, you can change it in the overview too. Let's change the button color in the overview. And now let's change the background color. The next option is border type. Here you can choose your preferred border type, and this is the border radius. You can enter preferred value for the border radius. And this is the box shadow. You can enable it here, and you can adjust the box shadow style here. And the next option is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this button. Enter your preferred value here. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button text. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.